everyone. My name is Candace. I'm with 30 West. If you haven't met me before, most of you I know. Lisa, I know. I don't think I know you. I'm Lisa. Lisa.
That's my friend
okay.
Lisa.
Friend of Becky. Awesome. We're gonna try some new trails tonight, I think. Should I do my phone?
That's the hardest part.
We all get matching tattoos, but it was gonna be a joke. It was gonna be a joke.
I would have been like, yeah.
I think what's so special about RedHead is that it incorporates the history of mining on the Iron Range, and then it also kind of repurposes it and gives it a way for us to have a healthier and happier way of living, but also understanding where this area has come from.
Next somewhere on this one maybe? There's that weird Y.
Yeah, where it turns to the right and those boards, yeah, you can go this way.
I'm a new mountain biker, so for me to be able to come out and ride, there are trails at every level. It's been really encouraging for everyone and just a fun time for everybody, so we've been having a good time.